Hey everyone, what's going on? Welcome to another video. We are back once again in my garage with my Nissan 370Z. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about the Z1 Motorsports 2.5 inch intakes. So basically what these are, if you don't know what they are intakes for your vehicle. And this is for the 370Z. So it may differ depending on what vehicle you have, but these are long tube style intakes. So they go all the way from the throttle body, all the way up into the front bumper, so they're all the way up here. You don't want to get the short ram intakes, by the way, because they only allow for heat soak and it's just not a good deal. So basically the difference between those and the ones I have right now is that those, they come out and they stop right there. And the filter's right here and you're just bringing in all that hot air, and that's not a very good idea. So basically these go all the way up, down into the front bumper right here, and same thing for the other side. So I have two of them. It's right there and right there. So these are from Z1 Motorsports. These are the normal ones. They're not the carbon fiber ones. They're just the normal black ones. So these intakes from Z1 Motorsports were honestly one of the best purchases I made for this vehicle. Besides tires, of course, and the tune. But these intakes, you definitely feel a difference. Also, these are 2.5 inch intakes, so they're not the 3-inch ones. These are carb legal. So I put that sticker up there. The reason that I wanted them to be 2.5 inch instead of 3 inch is not only because I didn't have the tool to cut away a section down here that you have to cut away to make it fit, but also because if I move states to somewhere that has emissions testing and you have to be carb legal, I have that sticker up there to show that I am, and if they do any kind of testing, they'll be able to see that I am. So I was thinking ahead for my future and any possible moving to different states that I might do. So basically these intakes, they allow for a lot better throttle response. It's pretty much instant, especially with the tune. It's, like I said, pretty much instant throttle response. The second you hit the gas, you go. Like, there is no delay at all. So it's pretty nice. Also, they are a little bit louder of an intake because you don't have them all confined into a box like the stock ones right there. So they are open, they are a cone filter. So you'll be able to hear them a little bit, but honestly my exhaust overpowers that sound, so I can't really hear it that much. So basically what I did is I bought these intakes from Z1 Motorsports. By the way, they were kind of a pain to install, took me a while, but it's not a very hard install, it's just I had some problems along the way. But I bought them, I installed them, and then I got a retune done by Z1 Motorsports so that I could get the most out of these intakes. And honestly, that retune really helped. They did not change too much from my original tune, but with these intakes, you have cooler intake temperatures, so they were able to push a little more power with that. So I'm not really sure when it comes to power numbers, but this intake, you definitely feel a difference. It's a lot more torquey and responsive, so honestly, it's a great buy. I haven't gotten the car dynoed, so I'm not too sure where the horsepower numbers stand, but I would assume it's about 345 horsepower at this point, so I can probably keep up with a Nismo right now, or even be a little bit faster than a Nismo. So that's pretty cool, so thumbs up on that. Most of the products on my car are Z1 Motorsports products, as you can probably see right here. Z1 and Z1 and Z1. So I really like Z1 Motorsports. I go to them for most of my products. The only thing on this car that I don't have from them is my exhaust system, which is actually from Nameless Performance. But besides that, I mean, everything else is pretty much Z1 Motorsports. So would I recommend these 2.5 inch intakes from Z1 Motorsports? Absolutely yes. If you have the money and you can afford to do it, definitely go ahead and buy them. They are a little bit on the pricier side, but honestly, it's well worth it. But yeah, that pretty much wraps up today's video about the intakes on my 370Z. Let me know in the comments down below what you would like to see when it comes to my 370Z, what kind of videos you'd like to see, if you have any questions about the intakes or any products from Z1 Motorsports. I do have quite a few products from them, so I can give you a little bit of an insight on that. But with all that being said, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.